Let's talk about the Parts Technician course online US and why it's becoming one of the most popular pathways for tradespeople who want to upgrade their careers. If you work with inventory, equipment parts, or mechanical systems, you already know this trade takes focus, accuracy, and solid technical problem solving. The Parts Technician course online US helps you build those skills in a structured, flexible, and accessible way. Here's the thing. Most tradespeople are busy balancing work, family, and long shifts. That's why online training makes such a difference. You can study anytime, anywhere, and at a pace that fits your schedule. This certification is also recognized across the country, which gives you true mobility. If you ever plan to relocate or explore better opportunities, your credential moves with you. Now, let's look at the exam itself. Most certification exams include around 100 to 150 multiple-choice questions. You typically get about 4 hours to finish. The questions are based on real shop and warehouse scenarios, not random theory. You might see topics like identifying parts from diagrams, you might calculate inventory numbers, you might work through a safety or shipping problem. All of this is based on national occupational standards. That means the exam tests what you actually do on the job, and that's why preparation matters. Most successful candidates study 3 to 6 months before writing their exam. Break your prep into sections like safety, tools, math, inventory systems, and customer service. Short, consistent study sessions work far better than cramming. If you haven't written an exam in years, don't worry. A lot of people feel nervous at first, and that's completely normal. Confidence grows with practice. Study a few questions a day. Review diagrams and charts. Highlight key terms. Connect every topic to something you've done at work. That's how information sticks. And this is where JourneymanStudyGuide.com comes in. You'll find Q&A books that match the exam format. You'll find explanation-style resources that walk you through the why behind each answer. And you'll find online timed practice tests that simulate the real exam experience. These tools don't guarantee a pass, but they help you study smarter, focus on the right areas, and build real confidence. Everything is a digital download, so you can start studying instantly. Use your phone, your tablet, or your laptop, even during a job site break or commute. Beyond the exam, the Parts Technician course online US opens new doors. Certified technicians often move into roles like supervisor, trainer, or inventory specialist. Some step into safety roles or operations leadership. Employers respect certified workers because it shows dedication, professionalism, and pride in your trade. Many unions and companies even offer support programs or incentives for certification. So if you are serious about advancing your career, this is the right time to start preparing. Use the best study tools. Set a consistent routine. Trust your experience. And when you are ready, check out the resources at JourneymanStudyGuide.com to make your study journey smoother. The Parts Technician course online US is your opportunity to prove your skills and step confidently into the next stage of your career. You've got this.